Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your password with Intuit step by step clearly. To reset your password with Intuit, begin by navigating to the Intuit login page. Look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be taken to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Intuit account. Click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Intuit. Open the email and find the link to reset your password. Click on the link within the email. You will be redirected to a new page to create a new password. Enter your new password in the provided field. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Ensure your new password meets Intuit's security requirements. Once confirmed, click on the Reset Password button. Your password has now been successfully reset. You can return to the login page to sign in with your new password. Follow the usual sign-in process. If you encounter any issues, refer to Intuit's help resources for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.